Hi friends. I, as many other adults, enjoy coffee. Like a lot. Like a lot. So I wanted to do 3 new coffee recipes. One that I do on a regular basis, one that I've never done before, and one that I've never done before, but also it's mostly tea. We're gonna make a pumpkin spice latte, you know, basic bay. We're gonna do a gingerbread latte because I love the Starbucks gingerbread latte, and if I can make it at home, even better. And then we're gonna make a chai tea latte, which I'm sure everybody already knows how to make, but I've never even had a chai tea latte. I've had chai tea. I don't know, we'll see. It seemed like a good idea when I was planning this video. We're gonna start off by making the syrup for the gingerbread latte in a saucepan. I feel like my husband would tell me to use a double boiler, so if you feel the need to do that, you absolutely can. This doesn't say that, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna follow the instructions and hope for the best. Okay, so it's to add 2 cups of water. I live in a town with terrible water, so I'm gonna do filtered water. Okay, 2 cups of water. Oh, you can't see this. Hold on. Okay, 2.5 cups of water. 1.5 cups of granulated sugar. So basically you're just making a simple syrup, although I thought simple syrup was 1-to-1, but all right, this is almost 1-to-1. Okay, there's 1 cup. And 1/2 cup. Okay, 2.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. Okay, so this is, let me get a knife. Half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Only a half. Oh. Half teaspoon. Okay. And then 1/2 teaspoon of that sizzled. Okay, and then whisk. It's doing something. Medium saucepan, make sure that your pan is large enough so the mixture won't boil over. Bring mixture to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer syrup uncovered for 15 minutes. Okay. So we will just wait for that to boil. In the meantime, let's start our pumpkin spice latte. Pumpkin spice latte, I'm not making my own pumpkin syrup. You certainly can, but I ain't gonna. So I'm using Torani. This is pumpkin spice syrup. They also have a pumpkin pie syrup. I like the pumpkin spice better. Do that with what you will. So I'm gonna take my pumpkin mug and then I'm gonna brew 2 short pours of espresso. I'm using my Nespresso. If you want to do regular Americano coffee, like drip coffee, you absolutely can. Or if you want to grind your own coffee beans and make espresso that way, you can. Do whatever you want. I'm doing espresso. I have my espresso. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice syrup. I normally eyeball this, but since I'm like giving you a recipe, I want to get it right. And then in my little Nespresso frother, which I love this thing, it heats the milk and froths it. But if you don't want to shell out for this one, you could definitely just warm up your milk, or you could get one of those little frothers, because the difference between a latte and a cappuccino is that a latte has less foam. Cappuccino is mostly foam. So it's not really crucial that you have the foam. I just think I like foam. I don't know what to tell you. So I'm gonna do a little bit of almond milk because that's my preference. Almond milk is hard to get it to froth, so take that as you will. But I don't have a problem in this frother. So this is unsweetened vanilla almond milk. And I'm doing probably a 1/4 cup. And then you froth it. It's done. So it does have, let me see if I can show you that. It does have a little bit of foam. It is steaming a little bit. Ta-da! And then, I don't do like latte art or anything. You can try to get the milk first. If you want to, you can get a spoon to help you get the foam, but I don't typically have a problem with it. So there you go, it's all done. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of pumpkin pie spice and boop, 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 boop. Beautiful. That is a latte. Pumpkin spice latte. All right, let's give it a taste. Just do a little bit more. Okay, so the syrup is done. It's pretty liquidy. It doesn't have much smell, so I hope I did this right. I'm gonna go ahead and brew some more espresso. BRB. While I'm waiting on the espresso, I'm gonna go ahead and froth my milk. Okay, so I did a long pour of decaf coffee because it is now afternoon and I would like to sleep one day. This is to add the syrup before the milk. Okay, they said to do a 1/4 cup of syrup. So that's what I'm gonna do. It seems like a lot, but okay. Okay. And then give that a stir. And then la leche. Okay, I want to give that a taste before I garnish it. Yep. And then they suggest adding some whipped cream, so like, all right, you ain't gotta tell me twice. Ugh, too much whipped cream, oh god. I think they probably just wanted like a little bit of cute little homemade whipped cream, but I'm like, nah, let's do this. And then I'm gonna do a sprinkle of ground nutmeg. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay, I have to take a picture. It's just so cute. All right, let me try it. I think the whipped cream is totally optional. That's freaking delicious. I'm gonna do a straw because lipstick. Oh my god, that's so good. It's so good. Makes me want to cuss. Now, we're gonna make a chai tea latte. We're gonna need some boiling water. Let me get my kettle. Okay, so today I'm using the Private Selection Chai Black Tea. I got this from Kroger. I just smelled one of the tea bags and I don't know if I'm gonna like this. It had chai tea, but I think it was like a chai rooibos tea. I think it's rooibos. So maybe I haven't had like a chai tea latte. I'm a little terrified. I'm gonna add like half a tablespoon of sugar to my dry cup. Okay, we got some boiling. And I guess I'm gonna set a timer for 5 minutes. And in the meantime, I will froth some more milk. Okay, it's been 3 minutes. I think because it's I think because I'm using 2 tea bags, I'm not gonna do the full 5 minute steep because I'm not really liking the way this is smelling and I'm nervous. Okay, so we've got sugar in there. I'm gonna add more sugar because I don't like how this is smelling and I'm don't make me drink it. So I'm stirring it. My milk is frothed and I'm just gonna spoon some of the foam instead of pouring all of this milk. I'm gonna do a smidge of whipped cream. They said to garnish with a dash of cinnamon and nutmeg. I don't think that's gonna make much difference. I'm really scared, y'all. It looks beautiful, but I think that's just because it's whipped cream and all that jazz. My snuggles are fierce. Let me get another picture. All right, I put it in the fridge because it was way too hot. It's probably still gonna be too hot. The whipped cream totally melted. Doesn't smell bad. Okay. Okay. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's definitely tea. In case you didn't know that chai tea was tea. Yeah. It is drinkable. It's fine. If you like tea, this is a great way to go. Great. Wonderful. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know this is like absolutely random. Like, hey, let me make a really basic coffee drink. Let me make a really basic coffee drink from scratch, and then let me make a drink that I've never had before and tell you if I like it. But I hope this inspired you to try and make some like coffee drinks or tea if you want to go that route. I think I burned my tongue. Because it's really not hard if you have the equipment. I'll link a really cheap milk frother down below, probably like $8. I'll also link this really amazing milk frother down below. As always, my Amazon links are affiliate links. I do get a commission, but it doesn't cost you anything, so you're welcome. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will see you guys tomorrow with oh, a really exciting video that I'm about to film. Should I tell you? Every Friday is like a costume. So tomorrow's not like a costume, but it's like giving you the groundwork for future costumes. That didn't make any sense. Great, see you tomorrow. Subscribe. Goodbye.